morning students, welcome to the online class. I am M. Sunil Kumar, the math faculty of ABS school. Today I am going to discuss about the lesson number 2. The lesson number 2 that is called polynomials. So what is the name? The polynomials. I hope you all are safe. Stay home, stay safe and take prevention for this coronavirus. Let's start our class. So today I want to discuss with you the polynomials. What is the name? The name is called as polynomials. So let's understand what is polynomial. So what is polynomial? Let's go for an introduction today. Introduction about the polynomial. So what is the introduction? The introduction is that please divide the polynomial into two parts. What I said, please divide polynomials into two parts. So it will be poly and the next part will be the nomials. So now you see, when I am writing poly and I am writing nomials. Now I am dividing the polynomial into two parts. That is poly and nomials. Understood? So what is the meaning of poly? Poly in English generally. The meaning of poly is many. That is called as many. And what is nomials? The nomials are called as the terms. It is a Greek word and the meaning of the nomial is called as the terms. So please write here terms. Now you join this. Join these two and what you are getting? It is a many terms expression. It is a many terms expression which is called as polynomials in our mathematics. So I hope you understood this basic introduction of polynomial. So what is polynomial? Polynomial is an algebraic expression. For that reason I wrote here algebraic expression. You have to understand what is called as algebraic expression. So what is an algebraic expression? An algebraic expression is an expression which carries constants and variables. With algebraic symbols plus or minus. Let's go for an example of it. So let's go for an example of algebraic expression. I am showing you here 2x plus 3y. Another one I am giving you, first one is 2x for you. Second one is 2x plus 3y. Third one is let it be 2x plus 3y plus 4z. So now in this 3, you please try to understand these three types of expressions. What is it? Now you see in the first one, there is a variable. What is a variable? The value we don't know. So the values we are going to calculate. Those values will be many numbers. So this is a expression which carries the variable x here. We can name them after English alphabet A to Z with small letters. So now here the English alphabet is x. So x is called as the variable and 2 is multiplied with x. So 2 is called as a number. So look here, it is carrying a variable and also a constant. Numbers can be called as constants also. So now you see, when I am coming to this expression, this expression is separated by a algebraic symbol that is called as plus. So now you see here x is one variable and y is another variable and which is added and it is giving an expression to you. So this is called as an algebraic expression also. Now you see in the third one there is three variables x, y and z. Three variables are available and these 2, 3, 4 are the numbers. So I hope it is very clear for you what is the definition of an algebraic expression. So what is the definition? The algebraic expressions are the expressions which carries constants and variables and constants and separated by algebraic symbols like plus or minus. So I hope you understood about algebraic expression. Now you see, I am going to give you the fourth example to you. I am writing here 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 0. See now, these three expressions having no LHS and RHS. There is no left hand side and right hand side. See these three expressions, they have no left hand side and right hand side. It is written only like that. So this is a type of expression, and see the fourth one, it is written with the both sides on. That means the left hand side is here and the right hand side is here. The LHS is here, the left hand side, and the RHS is also available. So, and separated by a equal sign. So what are these? What is the difference between this type of expressions? The first three expressions which have no LHS and RHS, left hand side and right hand side, are called as the polynomial expressions. They are called as the polynomial expressions. They are called as polynomial expressions. Understood now? What is a polynomial expression? Polynomial expressions, they should not have two sides. No left hand side, no right hand side. See. And this expression also, you second one you see, third one you see, they have no left hand side and right hand side. But when I come for coming to the fourth expression, you see this is separated by a equal sign. So this is called as an equation. This is called as an algebraic equation. Equation, or you can say simply called as algebraic equation. It is most important. Equation and polynomial. You have to understand what is the difference between a polynomial and an equation. Polynomial, for that reason I am saying to you again in my introduction class, the polynomial are the algebraic expressions. They are the algebraic expressions which carries or which have the variables and the constants with the algebraic symbols, called as the polynomials. Now equations have both sides and they are separated by the equal sign. So there is a difference between a polynomial and an equation. I hope you understood it. Come to the next part. Now you see what is the next part. Next part is the next part of the video is for you the classification of the polynomials. So types of polynomials. So the types of the polynomials we are going to right now. This video we are going to just go for the video of the types of the polynomials or classification of the polynomials. See now. So when I am going to the classification of polynomials, so I am writing here classification of polynomials. Classification of polynomials. So now in this video you see polynomials. So in this classification of polynomials, it is very important. Polynomials, I said you now, I hope you understood. Those are the algebraic expressions, can be separated by the algebraic symbols which carries constants and variables in it. Let's understand about them. So when I am going to say you about the classification of polynomials, polynomials can be classified among two ways. That is, first one is called as according to the terms. That is called as according to the terms. Now the second classification is called as according to the degree. So now we are going to understand about these two. What is that? Classification of polynomials. That means polynomials can be classified according to terms and according to their degrees. Let's come to this point first. What is according to the terms? So when I am saying about a polynomial according to the terms, we have to go for an algebraic expression first. So let's go for an algebraic expression. I am giving you, so now my heading is this one. I am explaining about the polynomials according to the terms. I am going to explain you. So now this one I will explain you later. So come to the point, that is according to the terms. So for explanation of according to the terms, we have to go to the algebraic expression. Let the algebraic expression I am writing here. See, one expression I am writing 2x, another expression I am writing 2x plus 3y, another one I am writing here, suppose it is 2x plus 3y plus 3z or 4z, like this. And fourth one I am writing here, see, 2x plus 3y plus 4z plus 2m. So we can take any English alphabet with small letters as the variables. Now I am again saying to you, see here, I said you the polynomials are the algebraic expressions which carries variables and constants. So variable is x here, when first one variable is x and the constant is 2. Constant means pure numbers. So here there are two things are separated by a plus sign. So this is also an algebraic expression and which is separated by a algebraic symbol, that is called plus. Here the variables are x and y, and 2, 3 are called as the constants or numbers. Now come to the third expression. Third expression is giving you an expression which carries 3 variables x, y, z very clearly, and the numbers are 2, 3, 4. Clear? And with algebraic symbols plus. Then the fourth one is right now going to be with 4 variables, you see, x, y, z and m, and the numbers are 2, 3, 4 and 2. So now it is very clear to you what is a variable and what is the constant and what is the expressions. So these are all algebraic expressions which come under the polynomials because they have no LHS and RHS. They are not separated by any equal sign. So these are pure polynomials. Clear? Now we are going to classify them according to their term. So when you are going to classify them, here nothing is added with 2x. So here only single term is there. Only one term is there. Only one term is available. One term. Why? Because it is not separated with any algebraic symbols. So here it is in into. So what the results, if 2 will be multiplied with x, the results will come only a single term. That is the one term only. One term in polynomial classification is called as 1 means mono. 1 means mono. And term means, what I said term? Term means nomial. Right now I said you nomial means terms. So now term means nomial. You just add here mono, nomial. So first one became a mononomial. Why? Because here it is having only one term. Single term is available here. So it is called as a mononomial. 1 means mono, term means nomial in our mathematics. So first one is first classification according to the term. First classification according to the term is a mononomial. So understood mononomial? Now come to this one. Look, these two are separated with algebraic symbol plus. So this plus is separating the both. So there are how many terms? Here it is one term and here it is another term. So it is consisting of 2 terms. That is called as 2 terms. It is expression of 2 terms. So 2 terms, 2 in mathematics called as bi, and the terms means the nomials. So they are called as binomials. So the second classification according to terms is binomial. Bi means 2, bi means 2 and terms means nomial. So it is a binomial. First one is mononomial. Second one is binomial. See here 3 terms are there because they are one first term, this is second term, this is my third term. So there are 3 terms are available here. So 3 terms. 3 terms. 3 terms when it is in the polynomial. Don't write here 3 as trinomial. Don't write trinomial. When the terms are exceeding 2 terms, then you can say them in single word as poly. You can say them as poly. Now it is poly and terms means nomials. Now it is called as a polynomial. Now you understand what is polynomial. If the terms are exceeding 2 terms, definitely that expression is called as a polynomials. Clear? It is trinomial, but we can call them as polynomial because it is exceeding 2. Now here you see in the fourth expression 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. So definitely 4 terms. Here it is 4 terms. They are also under the category of polynomials. Now what is polynomial? It is very clear. Polynomials are the algebraic expressions. These are all algebraic expressions which are separated with the algebraic symbols plus or minus, and which carries what they are carrying. They are carrying the variables and the constants in it. So a polynomial is an algebraic expression which carries the constants and the variables and separated by the algebraic symbol plus or minus. I hope the classification of polynomial according to the terms, it is clear to you. Next, we are going to go for the discussion of the according to the degrees. Polynomial classification according to the degrees. Now one point let me say you. See now, a monomial can be expressed as a polynomial. We can say this monomial as a polynomial. But a polynomial, once it is polynomial, it cannot be expressed as a monomial or binomial. Clear? Understood? So polynomials are the expressions which carries the constants and the variables with separated by the algebraic symbols, the plus or the minus. Clear? Understood? Now come to the next part. What is the next part? See the next part now. The next part is according to the degrees. I am saying according to the degrees. See now, what is that degrees? Just I am going to say you what is the degrees. So degrees, try to understand this degree. It is a very new word for you. What is the correct called as degrees? Very easy, not a new word. When I will say you can understand it nicely. Easy thing. So now we are going to classify the polynomial according to the degrees. According to the degrees. Now you see, this is my heading now. So polynomial can be classified into two ways. Among two ways. What are they? One is called polynomial according to the terms, polynomial according to the degrees. Polynomial according to the terms, just right now I explained you, that is monomial, binomial, trinomial or polynomials. And now we are going to classify them according to their degrees. So let's have some examples for these degrees. So first example I am giving you, see, let it be 2x. The second example I am giving you, let it be 2x plus 3y. Next one is I am giving to you 2x square plus 3x plus 5. Fourth one I am giving you 2x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 5. Fifth expression I am giving you 2x4 plus 3x cube plus 2x square plus 5x plus 6. So now you see, I think now I gave you 4 expressions like this. What are the 4 expressions? The 4 expressions are clear polynomials because there is no LHS and RHS. They are not separated by an equal sign. So now you see, in this expression, the degrees. Let's come to the degrees. Let's understand what is a degree first. So degrees. So degrees of what? Degrees belongs to whom? Degrees belongs to the variables. Degrees of variable. So this degree, what is coming only for the variable. What is the variable? For that the degrees are coming. You understood it now? So now let's go for x. So now if I will say the degree of x is a variable. X is a variable. And when I will say you what is the degree of x, then what is that? 1. 1 is called as the degree of x. So this is called as degrees, exponent. There are many names for it. Degrees, exponent or power. These 3 are the names for this degree. So very easy to understand now. When I said degree, you are confused. But when I said exponent and power, you are ready to understand that. So I hope you understood the degrees, and this polynomial is classified according to their degrees. Next, I am going to discuss about these 4 expressions in my next video. Watch it. Thank you. Now you see, we are going to the next part. I said you, already I explained you about according to the terms. According to the terms, the polynomials are divided into monomials, binomials, trinomials. But after the binomials, you say it as polynomials because after the 2, they can be called as polynomials. So what is a polynomial? They have many terms in it. Okay, so those are the expressions. They have many terms in it. Now come to the point. according to the degrees. So when I am saying about according to the degrees, this one is very important. It is new to you. Now see, I am explaining what is according to the degrees. So now you see the polynomial, the classification of the polynomial according to the degrees. So right here, according to the degrees. So the polynomial can be classified according to their degrees. How they are classified according to the degrees? See. So first of all, we have to know when we are going for according to the degrees. First of all, we have to know what is called as a degree. What is a degree? Degrees are nothing but the exponent, the powers. So variable, I said degrees of whom? Degrees of whom? Degrees of the variables. So right here, degrees of the variable. So now what I said here about variable? Variable are the unknown quantities. These are the unknown quantities, unknown number, unknown things in the expression. It can be represented by the English alphabet A to Z small letters. So now let's say I am taking a small letter like X. So this is my variable. And degrees, what is my degree now? Degree is called as the exponent. So nothing is there, so it is 1 here now. So what is the degree? Degrees are the exponents. They can called be as degrees, they can called as exponents, they can called as exponents, and they can called as powers also. So now you see what is the power of the variable. So what is the variable here? Now the variable is X. So what is the power of the variable? The power of the variable is 1. So it is a degree 1 variable. It is a degree 1 variable. Similarly, when I am say x to the power 2, now it is a degree 2 variable. Now when I will say x to the power 3, it is a degree 3 variable. When I will say x to the power n, then it is a degree n variable. Okay. Now you understood what is degree and what is the variables. Now come to the classification. So now you see, I am classifying it. When I will give you now 4 expressions for you. On that basis, I am going to classify the polynomial according to their degrees. So let's go for some 4 expressions here. First one I am writing here 2x. Second one I am writing here see 2x plus 3y. And third one I am writing here for you 2x square plus 3x plus 5. Then fourth one I am writing here for you 2x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 5. Fifth one I am writing for you 2x4 plus 3x cube plus 2x square plus 5x plus 6. Clear? Understood? So what I did, I wrote some expressions for you of the polynomials. I am right now going to classify them according to their degrees. So now you see in the first expression, here the variable is x and the number is the 2. So now it is the variable having power 1. So it is called as having power 1. It is called as degree 1 polynomial. It is a degree 1 polynomial. Why? Because a monomial can be expressed as a polynomial. So I am writing here degree 1 polynomial. So now you see here the variable exponent is 1 and also here there are 2 variables here. So one expression has 1 variable, another expression has 2 variables and the power is 1. So it is also a degree 1 polynomial. This is also a degree 1 polynomial. Clear? Understood what I said? First one having one single term having the variable x and the exponent of the variable is 1. So it is called as the degree 1 polynomial. Second one, there are 2 variables are there and the power of the variable, degree of the variable or the exponent of the variable is 1 here. So it is also called as a degree 1 polynomial. So degree 1 polynomials are called as linear polynomials. They are called as linear polynomials. For their name, there is a linear polynomial. What is the name of them? Degree 1 polynomials. They are called as linear polynomials. When I will say you about linear polynomials, definitely you have to go to the degree 1 polynomial. Degree of what? Degree of the variable. What is the variable here? X. So x to the power 1. And these linear polynomials can be expressed in two ways. Look at the two ways. They are expressed in two ways. Linear polynomial in one variable, linear polynomial in two variables. Linear polynomial in one variable and linear polynomial in two variables. So for this we can give a identification code for them. For linear polynomial we can give a code for them, that is called as, in that manner if it is expressed, they are called as linear polynomial. So the code is ax plus b or ax plus by plus c. These are the two identification code for linear polynomial. Here it is right now, see, ax plus b. B is 0 here, so it is ax plus b format. It is in the format of ax plus b, and this one is in the format of ax plus by plus c. C is nothing here, so the c is called as the constant and it is 0 here. Now I hope you understood about the linear polynomial. So linear polynomials are degree 1 polynomials. But let's come to the next polynomial. It is a polynomial also, but here you see the variable is x only. So this polynomial is existing in one variable only. So but you will say, ask me, sir, here x to the power 2 and here x to the power 1. So which one we have to consider? The highest value, highest degree of the variable should be considered. The highest degree of the variable is 2 here. So it is called as a degree 2 polynomial. What is it called as? It is called as a degree 2 polynomial. Degree 2 polynomials can be called as quadratic polynomials. Can be called as quadratic polynomials. Quadratic polynomials. I hope you understood it. So the highest power is 2. So it is degree 2 polynomials are called as the quadratic polynomials and are existing in one variable only. You will say, sir, what is the identification code for this degree 2 polynomial? How we can know this is a degree 2 polynomial? They will exist in this format: ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, so in this format, if any polynomial is coming, ax square plus bx plus c, then they are called as second degree polynomial, degree 2 polynomial or quadratic polynomial, and existing in one variable only. Now come to the point, the fourth expression. The fourth expression is also existing in one variable only. Look, x, x and x. So you have here x to the power 3, here x to the power 2, here x to the power 1. So definitely the highest degree is 3. So these are called as, I am writing here because there is no place there, it is called as degree 3 polynomial. Degree 3 polynomials. Degree 3 polynomials. So what are degree 3 polynomials? Degree 3 polynomials are the variable to the power 3. Okay, variable to the power 3 are called as degree 3 polynomials and existing in one variable only. They can be identified as in this format: ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. See, now you will say, sir, where is a? A is 2 here, ax cube, bx square, 3x square, bx square plus cx, here it is c, cx plus d. D is 5 here. So d is a constant here. D is called as the constant. Here in degree 2 polynomial, c is called as the constant. In linear polynomial, b and c are called as the constants. Understood now? I hope you understood. Next, come to the another type of polynomial, that is called as the degree 4 polynomial. Because see, here the variable having power 4, here the variable having power 3, here 2, here 1 only. So these polynomials having the highest degree 4. So these are called as the degree 4 polynomials. Degree 4 polynomials. So degree 4 polynomials are also existing in one variable only. See, one variable only. So when I will say you about degree 4 polynomials, their identification is ax4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. This is the format for the degree 4 polynomial. Degree 4 polynomials are otherwise called as biquadratic biquadratic polynomial. They are also called as biquadratic polynomials. So, what is a biquadratic polynomial? It is a degree 4 polynomial. What is it? The degree 3 polynomials can be called as also cubic polynomials. Cubic polynomials. Okay, so please try to understand it very carefully, because this chapter again it is leading to 10th class. So I hope these are all types of according to the degrees, all types of polynomial formats. Now it is clear for you. So first one is the degree 1 polynomial, where the variable exponent is 1 and existing in one variable and two variable. So only linear polynomial can exist in one variable and can exist in two variables also. All other polynomials, they are existing in only one variable, and degree 2 polynomials are called as the quadratic polynomials, and the format is ax square plus bx plus c, and degree 3 polynomials are also existing in one variable with the highest degree 3, called as degree 3 polynomials or cubic polynomials, can be exist in the format ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. And the degree 4 polynomials, they are also the highest degree of the variable is 4, called as degree 4 polynomials or biquadratic polynomials, and can be expressed in the format ax4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. After these degrees of the polynomials, again I will give you the exact definition of the polynomials in my next video. Watch it.